forecast back forecast EURUSD. Simple trading tips for beginner traders on October 10. Review of yesterday's Forex trades, review of trades, and trading tips. The premium article will be available in 000010.10.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000010.10.2025 AM. Review of trades and trading tips for the European CurrencyA price test at 1.1615 occurred when the MACD indicator had just begun moving downward from the zero line, confirming the correct entry point for selling the euro. As a result, the pair declined toward the target level of 1.1574. Yesterday's comments from U.S. Federal Reserve officials regarding the inadvisability of further monetary easing triggered a strengthening of the U.S. currency and a weakening of the European one. Today, the absence of economic fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get